how to turn on or turn off Debug GPU Overdraw on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on developer options. Now in here, scroll down to the bottom, so near the bottom, tap on Debug GPU Overdraw. From the pop-up, you could choose off, show overdraw areas, or show areas for data anomaly. So select one of the options. And here you can see if I choose show overdraw areas, this is what it looks like. And if I tap on off, it will switch it off. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.